Welcome back to the show, guys. Now in this week's Talent on the Rise segment, let's meet dancehall artist Starface.
I just chat, she a chat. My have with you all my man. The best thing in the whole island. Bump on the song all night long. Tell me wanna bed, me no know dive. Yeah, me have with you all him. Good body, me a control him. Baddest chick, you know I am. If you please me, man, that my slogan.
How did I get to start music? I used to work in a clothes store named Passion for Fashion in Bargain Mall. I came home one night and I heard my cousin were making beats, making beats. And I said, cousin, no, so I feel like I can ride in a rhythm here. And I said, yeah, do it now. My daddy and me, I do my look at thing, and me a DJ to him. And I said, yeah, cousin, sound good, man, and whatever. So the song was Turn Up the Love. The first producer I've worked with is I Talented Records. And the song was Turn Up the Love. That was the first one. My musical journey is kind of challenging, because you're going to have people who's going to criticize you and talk all kind of things about you, so it's kind of challenging, but I have some fans out there, where keep me up, and I'm grateful for that. My real name is Rachel Trisha Edwards, and I'm originate from Western Kingston, which is Denham Town, Bond Street.
Starface, I say, my man, that I know. When me lagging girl office, I know. But she want take my spot. I just chat, she a chat. My have with you.
Starface bring a different kind of voice. Like my voice is like for now and then. And I bring style, fashion and lyrics, versatility, because I'm versatile. And I don't limit myself to one music. I have a new one coming out now, which is Ben Fearback. Look out for it. At Sting 2015 opened many doors for me, and I'm grateful for that. Because if it wasn't for Sting, maybe nobody would really know about me like know about me. After Sting, my name they're all over the place, whether good or bad. So at the end of the day, Sting do a great job for me. It opened many doors because right now people really recognize who is Starface. Yeah, Bridgam was good performance. Good performance. I did great, and my fans them, a cheer for me and make me feel good, and and the one last week at Westmoreland, oh God, the girls them just jump on the stage and I sing back my song, and I just feel like I'm out there now, they must see me.
Now it's time for our video premiere of the week.
Champion muscle with the champion grip. Champion bubble when me sit down on it. TK your body, knock him out with it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, him out. Chop. Me have the glue a old man like Pona. Sweet like a condensed milk in a tin can. This girl will make your ball for your name. Baby come over, give me some place. Can't get enough him just a car around the clock. A 55 message him left for WhatsApp. Say, want me good body and the thing when my got car. Oh, my put it on, it's addictive like crack. What me say? When girl good, but me are the greatest. God bless me with sugar bubble. So no girl can test this. Man have to want this. Man have to dream about me. Man have to dream about me. I if my ex miss, him have to dream about me. Man have to dream about me. I mean, say, come and know what I have. Man, I run me down like Pitney and loud bag. Oh my God, I'm such a mess. When me kill him with finesse, then me start the rough ride, get him my like set. A gal ever pop it tail by a good yet. A gal ever vibrate, make it.
Coming up after the break, we check in with Sans and we head to the theater. We'll be right back.